Hello, my name is Prithvi Soni, and I am a second year student. I am pursuing BCom Taxation from SN College.
Good morning, Patri. Please let me know who is your favorite great and honorable person.
Great and honorable person. Uh, great, great and honorable person. ऐसा कुछ I have not any person. I have not any this type of person.
Okay. Do you like any patriot person?
Uh, yeah, I like Gandhi ji and Bhagat Singh, and that's all.
Okay.
Hi Prithvi.
Hello.
Good morning. So you told me you like traveling.
Yes.
So how many state have you visited in India?
I have visited two states apart from MP. First is Gujarat and second is Maharashtra.
Okay, so
It was a good experience. I have explored many places like many temples. That's all.
okay, thank you.
Hello Prithvi.
Hello.
If you had a chance to visit any country, so which country would you like to visit and why?
I would like to visit America because I have heard many things. Like firstly, I want to visit the schools and colleges of there because their education system is very well.
I'm not asking to about education system. You have personally experienced
Yeah, I would like to go there because the thing with for what I want to go there is their education system.
okay.
Hello Prithvi.
Hello.
What is your resolution for 2025?
My resolution is for 2025 is I want to focus on my goals. Like I will do MBA, so I will focus on CAT exam.
Okay, that's good. So what do you means how much study do you do at your home?
Nowadays, I am not doing for CAT. I am doing DCA. That's why I don't get time.
Okay, thank you.
As you Patri mentioned, please could you please again which country do you like?
America.
America. Do you like? You don't like India? India it is a country you
No,
didn't mention.
I like India, but he asked which country would you like to visit.
हाँ,
That's
बस-
why I answered America.
Okay, you don't like मतलब India.
No, I like America.
No, India it is a good country as lots of
Yeah, I know that India
tourists
is a good
come in
country
India
because
and
I
for
have been
visiting
living
only.
here. What?
Lots of tourists come in India only for visiting. India is a good country now.
Yeah, I know India is a good country, but if he asks something, I have to answer.
Okay, thank you.
So Prithvi, tell me which is the best thought you like most?
Which is the best thought? Honesty is the best policy, and for practical life, I like that your pain will always be your pain.
Okay, thank you.
Prithvi, I want to know. Prithvi, I want to know that what was the most difficult decision of your life that you have taken?
For my career, what will I do? That,
You have taken in
yeah,
your
I have
past.
taken that. I decided that I will do MBA, but as I am from commerce background, so people suggest me that you should do CA or CS, but I choose that I will go for MBA. That was the difficult decision.
Okay, and whatever you want to become, if you don't become, then what will be your next step?
I have not decided because I am confident that whatever I have decided, I will do that.
Okay. Okay. So you like you will go for your further study like MBA.
Yes.
So what type of business do you like?
I like all type of business. Firstly, I have focused on management, so it doesn't matter which type of business they have or it is.
Okay.
I want to ask you that in India, which food do you like in India?
In India, mostly I like Gujarati dishes.
Okay.
So Prithvi, I have a question for you. What is your good habit?
My good habit is that I always respect my elders.
And do you have any bad habit?
Yeah, I have a bad habit that I sleep a lot and I easily trust people.
Okay.
Why are you learning English?
I have since childhood I have been dreaming to become a good English speaker. That's why I am learning English.
So you said you are now doing pursuing your MBA
BCom.
BCom.
Yes.
So what is your further plan for this?
I will do MBA.
You will do MBA.
Yes.
Or why?
Because as I mentioned that I was from commerce background and I didn't want to do CACS. That's why I chose MBA.
Okay.
Hello, Prithvi.
Hello.
I want to know how important is family to you?
My family is very important to me because I think that it doesn't matter how old, strong and independent I become. At the end of the day, I always need my family to be with me.
Okay. Do you like politics?
No.
So may I ask any question from you related politics?
You can ask, but sorry if I will not able to answer. But you can ask.
So, which politician like in India? Most
Uh,
like
I don't know about politics, but I like the Honorable Prime Minister.
of India.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you know about Kho game? Yeah, Kho game is in news.
No, I don't know about. I just know the name and how to play, but I don't know more details about that.
Thank you.
Hello,
Hello.
what's your hobby?
My hobbies are sketching and art and craft.
Hello, what do you want to do your family?
What?
What do you want to do your family?
What I want to do for your family? I want to do many things for my family. Firstly, I would like to do like I want my parents to travel many places like whichever they want to visit.
Okay, here I am asking question to you.
Yes, sir.
You just spoke about that you don't know about politics and all things, right?
Yes, sir.
But you spoke that you like that the Prime Minister or the Prime Minister Modi, right?
Yes, sir.
Which quality do you like him most? Like
Sir.
what do you like in him?
So, like as we can see that he is doing very well for our country and for growth of our country, and he is launching many policies for the benefits of poor people and girls.
Like what was the state that you liked the most? That is the first that I just liked much.
So, Swachh Bharat Mission.
Before after only one.
Yes, sir.
Like qualities, I'm asking the qualities of him. Like he is a good leader. Do you want that? Do you think that he is a politician, or what do you like in him?
Like I like his many qualities. Like I don't know him personally, but as we can see that he is doing many things for the benefit of country. So that's why I like
Do
him.
you think that is he a good leader?
Yes, sir. He is a good leader because he is managing all the works very well.
And across the India, nobody is like competition. That is anybody in the future? It can be competitor of that Modi ji. Do you think that?
So actually, I don't
Can
know about.
anybody
Yeah, we can say that anybody can become the competition for him.
Okay, that's clapping for Prithvi.
Thank